Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How to get clients in freelancing. So this is the most obvious question, and if I'm not wrong, 70% of the people who are already a freelancer facing this problem of getting clients. If they are getting clients, they have a problem of getting clients consistently. If they are getting clients consistently, they have a problem of getting income consistently, right? So let's solve one problem in this video, that is how to get clients. I will share my mind map and give you the exact few steps which I follow to get my first few clients when I started my digital marketing agency as a solopreneur, you can call it. So let me explain that. By the way, my name is Virender Chaudhary and I'm the founder and CEO of tradoschool.com, and it's a hashtag one business school for freelancing where you can earn, learn and scale at the same time. If you want to join Trido School community for free, I will give the link in the description and you can join this 5 lakh plus freelancers at Trido School for absolutely for free. Let's get it. So here you see, first thing you need to identify whether you have a proper skill or not. Okay, because trust me, I'm telling you at this point of level, getting a client is easy, retaining a client is hard. For that, you need to have an extraordinary skill that you can be the top 1% in that skill and you can get a lot of money and more clients. All right. So first identify whether you do not have a skill or whether you have a skill or not. So considering you have a skill, because this topic is all about how to get clients in freelancing, not what skill I need to choose inside freelancing. So first way and the best way is outreach. In outreach, we have few different ways, which is calling. Right now, go to Google and search restaurants near me, interior designers near me, or whoever it is. You will find a list of people, all right, on Google My Business, which we also call it as local business or local SEO, where you can get a lot of clients. You can straight away call them and ask your freelancing services whether they are interested in that or not. That is, imagine you are a digital marketing person, you are calling a local business called XYZ. Hi, am I talking to XYZ? Yes. So I'm a digital marketer with this much years of experience and I can help you grow online. By any chance, are you looking for marketing solutions? If they say no, all right, may I know the reason why you're not looking? Perfect. Then keep your phone and start calling. Reach out to them, because your duty here is to not call few clients a day or few clients in a week or few clients in a month. Your duty is to call until you get a client. You should have this mindset. Okay, if you're giving up after 5 calls, 10 calls, 15 calls, it's pointless and baseless. And I've got my first client through calling, because that is the most powerful thing. And next, in outreach, you have DM, direct message, where you can go to their Instagram profile, LinkedIn profile, whatever it is. You can send a connection request or a DMing that you're doing this mistake in your business. As a freelancer, I can help you fix this. Reach out to as many clients as possible until you get your first client. I've told you, right? Your duty is to get the first client. I often tell this to my students in the previous live masterclass. Also, I've told them, if God is right in front of you and said, if you did not get your first client within 90 days, you will die the 91th day. So you see the amount of hard work what we will do, because in 90 days, if you're not getting a client, we're going to die on 91st day. Correct? So it's all about your hard work, your passion, your energy. Never give up. Okay. Next, inside this also you can have like form fill-ups, where you can go to their websites. If you don't find a phone number or an email ID, you can fill a form stating that I can help you on this. Also, you can email them. If you find their email ID on the contact box or whatever it is, you can always reach out to them. And next would be ads. You can go with Meta ads or Google ads. Let us imagine you have a budget of 3,000 rupees, or here 3,000 rupees. You can spend on ads. Approximate cost per lead, we call it as CPL, which is cost per lead. On advertisement, if you got it at 100 rupees, still you can generate 30 leads. CPL is 100, you can generate 30 leads, out of which let us consider 5% conversions. You can still make a lot of money. Same goes with Google Ads as well. What is the way which I prefer? If I don't have a money, if I'm a beginner, if I don't have seriously to invest, I'll go with outreach, calling, DM, form fill-ups and email until I get my first client. The moment I got my first client, I'll invest on ads to get more clients. You're getting my point? This is the flow and funnel which you need to follow. And next, newspapers. So you can see a lot of people advertising on newspapers. You can call them and state that you do not present online, but I see you're advertising massively offline. So by any chance, by anywhere, I can help you build your online presence. Considering you are a digital marketer, I'm talking in that perspective. Okay. So you can call them and reach out to them stating that I can help your profile building online and I can help your business grow online because I'm a digital marketer. You can reach out to them. That's a very good strategy again, right? And mostly you can do affiliate marketing where you can call all the affiliate marketers. Hey, are you an affiliate marketer? Then I'm gonna invite you my exclusive masterclass where you can design one masterclass and invite all affiliate marketing persons and state them if they're bringing any client, we are going to pay straight away 20,000 per client, and it's a recurring. Let us imagine you are charging 40,000 rupees per client. You are giving 50% straight away to the affiliate marketing person because they bought you the client, and every month they can enjoy that recurring income. This is the powerful thing because I tried it and tested out and it worked really well. Like, this is how I used to do. Hey, are you an affiliate marketing person? Then I've got a very good opportunity for you to earn a recurring income every month. I'm hosting a live workshop where you can join and learn more about this opportunity. Few people come in, like 10, 20 people will come in, and I explain them. You see, earning a recurring commission is the most important thing. You don't need to worry about client servicing. You don't need to worry about client reporting. You don't need to worry about what exactly you need to do for the client. Every headache I will take care. You just bring in the client, I will pay you 50% share straight away. If you're bringing client at 20,000, I will pay you 10,000 every month recurring because I will hold client, I will retain client, and I can give you money. If you're unable to close clients, affiliate marketing persons will give you much, much, much better results. All right. In the same way, there are multiple ways. Like you can go with referring, like where your existing clients can refer to a few more clients because of your work is exceptionally well, where you can go and do that. Right? You're getting my point. So you can get clients in freelancing for free, like outreaching. If you want to invest, you can go with ads, newspaper, affiliate marketing, referral marketing. Still, you can go with it with a less amount of budget. But trust me, retaining a client is hard. If you're looking for a complete end-to-end solution for your freelancing, like from learning a skill, selling a skill, upgrading your clients, getting more clients, automating business from a freelancer to entrepreneur, I want you to join Trido community of 5 lakh plus freelancers for absolutely for free. There is a link in the description. Click on it and join for free and get a end-to-end support in your freelancing career. All right. If you do not have a skill, I highly recommend you to go and choose a skill called digital marketing and start from it, because irrespective of who you are, okay, if you are a mentor, coach, stock marketing trader, guitarist, yoga coach, fitness, every freelancer need a digital marketing in order to promote themselves. So digital marketing is the base. So I recommend, if you do not have a skill, go and start with digital marketing. And don't forget to join Trado community for free. Link is in the description. I'll see you with the next video.